visit huggingface.com. From here, you need to log in or signed up. So here I just signed up with a new account. Give any username you want, then your full name, and complete this and click on create account. So after that, you need to complete this capture. Okay, now it will send a confirmation mail, and after you confirm this, you will see a dashboard like this. Now click on models, or you can skip the feed. Here we will go with the models here, and from here you can see we have the Kimi K3 here. So select it. On your right you can see here, select hugging chat, start chatting, then authorize it, start chatting. Now from setting, you must check this work, this active or not. Already we can see here it's active, but let's check from the setting. Okay, here you can see the model Kimi K3 is active for our chatting. Now let's see, send a prompt, and it gives us reply or not. Okay, it giving us reply. And if you try to use the Kimi K3 in their official version, you can see they will not reply us faster, and also they ask to upgrade their account, but we will not upgrade. We will use the free version from Hugging Chat in this way, and we can generate images from here. And if you notice, we can see we can get the reply from Cloudy. It's faster, but Hugging Face also think a little more, then give you reply. And the best part is, if you notice, the best AI agent so far, Kimi K3 is better. And here, let's build a website for one of our client. So what we're gonna do, just a simple thing we can do here. We can ask create a 3D model website for a Facebook page, and we'll also share here the Facebook page link and their service or menu, and see what happened. Okay, we got our link, and what we'll do here, we will paste the images we got from that Facebook page. So what Kimi K will do, they will analyze the Facebook page algorithm, the data, and also the image menu, service menu we share. And after that, they will create a complete website for this Facebook page. Okay, so it's a juice bar Facebook page, and here you can see their menus, and I will share this as well. Okay, now hit enter, and you can wait up to 2 or 3 minutes, and let's come back and see what Kimi K does for us. Okay, here you can see we got our 3D website. You can click on full screen, or you can go for preview, and also you can deploy the live link as well. And here you can see every detail they capture for this website. Okay, so the location, the phone number, the Facebook page, and every links are working perfectly here. Okay, in full screen, My God. It's look pretty professional here. We can deploy and share with our client that we can make a website for you. And the best part, you can see they categorize the um, menu. Okay, so this way you can use the Kimi K3 for free. And in my previous video, I have also shown you how you can get the API key for this Kimi K3 and use in any of your IDE. Hopefully you watch this. So if you like, share, subscribe, comment for more. Thank you.